Hi, my name is Miss Sarah and welcome to Make and Learn with Aurora Public Library. Make and Learn is a series of games and activities you can do with your child to support their cognitive development and early literacy skills. We'll show you how to do the game or activity and then explain how it supports their development. Today we're making a thumb piano, an easy to make instrument kids can use while singing their favorite songs that also helps strengthen their fine motor skills. For this activity, you'll need a piece of cardboard, bobby pins, and duct tape. Markers or crayons are optional if you'd like your kiddo to decorate their instrument. Grown-ups, start by bending open the bobby pins. Open them to different widths to make different sounds. The number of bobby pins depends on the size of your cardboard, but you want to make sure your child has enough room so they can push each one individually. While you're getting the bobby pins ready is the perfect time for your kiddo to color and decorate their piece of cardboard. Then you'll tape them each to the piece of cardboard. I tore off a piece of duct tape first and then placed the smooth side of each bobby pin onto the tape. Once they are all on the tape, place the tape onto the cardboard and press it down firmly so it sticks. Once the bobby pins are secure, you're ready to start playing. Sing a song with your child or put on their favorite song and let them play along with their thumb piano. Music and singing along is a great early literacy practice. Singing helps kids hear the smaller parts that make up words, and singing also often introduces new vocabulary that they would not hear in everyday conversation. I hope you enjoyed this activity today. Join us next time for more early literacy activities with Make and Learn. In the meantime, visit our Pinterest page, pinterest.com/Aurora Public, for more great ideas. See you next time!